there's no connection. More importantly, I think that's a yearbook. What I will say is that we were batchmates in grade school, but he was never my classmate and he was never my friend. No? So, medyo nakakatawa ho na inuungkat po ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po yung mga yearbook pictures ko nung 12 years old po ako to make a connection to Bryce Hernandez. There's no connection with him. No? So, I think that needs to be pointed out. Because more importantly, the more important pictures would be the pictures of him with engineer Henry Alcantara, Yusek Bernardo. Those people worked with his father in the city of Manila. Si Engineer Alcantara denied knowing Senator Jinggoy, pero he was there in the birthday party of Senator Jinggoy, and probably with Undersecretary Bernardo. These two personalities are at the epicenter of the Bulacan flood control corruption controversy. So I think that those are the pictures that are more important to be explained not by me, but by Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
What do you intend to do now, sir?
Well, I think the first point that needs to be made is, meron siyang disclosure po nung address po ng lola ko eh. Doon po sa akin po nga yearbook pictures. No? I think that needs to be resolved. So, the DICT is here today, so I will ask kung meron ba siyang actual violation of my privacy. No, dito po sa paglalabas ng aking 12-year-old picture. No? So, I will ask the ICT and the National Privacy Commission kung meron bang violation siya, Senator Jinggoy. So, I think we have to go back to the real issues here kasi it's not just the House that is actually investigating him. More importantly, even his colleague in the Senate, Senator Ping Lacson, has said that one of the contractor's representatives had actually been to the Senate premises, I think last month. No? I think they have CCTV relating to this. No? So, I think he has to be prepared to confront this instead of doing a social media war with me. Hindi ba? Kasi ang totoo naman ho, there is a real concern for Bryce Hernandez, not because of any link, but because of, you know, he is at the center of being accused. Si Senator Jinggoy Estrada and Senator Joel Villanueva in the greatest corruption scandal of this decade. Hindi ba? So I think we have every reason to fear for the life of Bryce Hernandez in Pasay City Jail, and with this development in the Senate, made no less by Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman Ping Lacson, which basically links yung pong contractor na binabanggit po ni Bryce, no? And with the, I think, billionaire report na parang one of the line items, doon po sa binabanggit po ni Bryce na mga connected po kay Senator Jinggoy ng mga proposals, parang may ghost project po doon. So I think there is every reason for Congress to be concerned, and hopefully the Senate leadership will also be as concerned as Congress for the life and the safety of Bryce Hernandez.
Sir, questions. If there is a violation as per NEC and DICT, what do you intend to do? Second, what do you intend to do about Engineer Bryce?
Well, una sa lahat, I think we would want to be able to give Senator Jinggoy the opportunity din to take the post down. Hindi naman ho tayo, galit tayo, pero hindi naman ho tayo gigil na gigil. So, I hope this gets resolved in the soonest time. Kasi nga ho, I don't think the public would, you know, take this lightly na pati ba naman mga litrato ng mga bata, binubuyang-yang ho natin sa publiko. Yun po yung